Hello children, today I am going to share with you another very beautiful story. The name of the story is The Woodcutter and the Angel. Please listen it carefully. The Woodcutter and the Angel. In a forest, a woodcutter was cutting firewood from a dry tree. Suddenly, his axe slipped and fell into the adjoining river. He was weeping for his losing his only source of livelihood. Then an angel appeared before him and asked why he was weeping. He said he had lost his one and only axe. She jumped into the river and came out with a golden axe. "Is this yours?" she asked. He said, "No, it's not mine." She again jumped into the river. This time she returned with a silver axe. She again asked the woodcutter, "Is this yours?" He again said, weeping, "No, this is also not mine." Later, the angel again dived into the river and brought a crude iron axe. The woodcutter jubilantly identified it as his axe. The angel was pleased with his honesty and gifted him all the 3 axes. The moral of the story is honesty always pays dividends. Honesty always pays dividends. Thank you.